Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how you can create the link by spa. You can sign in your personal website, so I can go um, your number and and your username and your password, and you go to the virtual office. In the virtual office you can see the menu and go to the spa manager and have a different spas for you can create the demonstration of the spa for sales. So I would like to invite to create a new spa. You click here, a new spa, and 6 steps of the create a spa. So you can go to the step number one. So here you can create a web spa, ship to spa, and then you can choose an existing host or create a new host. So you can go to some host, or I can go for me. Cesar is here, and then enter your day the spa. For that promotion, for you can go to spa is in Saturday, March 21, because the promotion is 20, 21, and 22nd is the weekend of the spa. So you can click here, and the hour you can create like a 7:30 p.m. for example, and you put virtual spa or personal spa, whatever you want to do. But today is virtual spa, and you can create the invitation. Look, aroma blends, face care, food care, free breathing, and you can personalize the invitation. Hi, you can go into my clubhouse, or you can go for wherever. You can put here at you whatever you want, and then click of the set my spa. You set the spa, and in few seconds you have already your number of the spa is 95658. This is your spa. Okay, you have a click here. This is a link for host and you to put a more customer, but I click in return to the period page. So here you see this is the number of the spa, and you click here for see the spa, and the first link is host portal URL, and then this is a party URL link. This is the link you can use. Only just copy paste this link, and all the links for the spas you created is the same. mysujeusa.com/parties/ the number of the spa you can create, and then this link you can share with your customer. That link you see is you are a guest of the Cesar Gomez, and then you can see all the products. It's very easy and friendly when the people wants to buy your recommendation. Look, this is the car on the top of the right hand, and you see the promotion, and the promotion is here. You can see all the promotion and the face care line with right now this month is the face care line, but in another months you can see the promotion offers and see is very friendly. You can see the card if whatever you want, and begin checkout, and that's it. But this is the link of the spa. Please using this for your trainings, or you can use make a easy sales from Use USA.